Today is going to be more of an improvised little video. I'm going to be making a custom air pruning pot for this little beauty right here. I don't know, can you see that properly? This is actually a Capsicum annum minimum, which is supposed to be growing differently. It's a very interesting mutant. Let's see if I can't get this in closer over here. Have a look at those flowers. Purple little flowers, right? Very, very short internodal spacing, as you can see here, right? And there is already a fruit growing on it. Here. Have a look at that one. Purple as well. I'm quite excited to see if they ripen out into red like the other ones. It's the only mutant from the entire batch. It's very interesting. Of course, I already made myself some cuttings and stuff to preserve the genetics. Very interesting stuff. So, I'm going to be transferring this in a pot like this, and the plant itself is going to be living in this one, which fits just snugly, perfectly into this. But since I don't want the roots growing around, spiraling and stuff, and developing bad habits, I'm going to be carving with a little Dremel tool some slits and holes in it for air pruning purposes. Okay, let's get started. Let's not snag ourselves. Okay, I don't know how much of that got cut off, but this is the result now. As you know from my air pruning video, every root that hits the exposed air is going to air prune itself off, and then the root is going to sprout some little side shoots. Giving it a denser root system, and preventing the roots from growing around in circles, as you so often see. And preventing the roots from growing around in circles, as you so often see in cheap nursery pots. Okay, so now let's repot this baby, and see where we'll go from there. Alright, so I seem to have dropped again. Right, let's have a look here. That's the plant. It was in a pot like this, right? In a little pond pot, where you put your water plants into. And have a look, we have a little bit of travel on the bottom here. I'm going to cut those with some scissors, but have a look at the sides, the roots here, the root structure. That is pristine, and that's why you want them to nicely prune themselves in the air. So You don't want to tap it down too hard, but also not leave any air pockets or anything. No, doesn't that just look pretty? Perfect. Okay, bye-bye.